The taskbar is a key part of the Windows interface, so if it crashes or stops responding for some reason, it can be a source of real annoyance. Luckily, there are two fairly simple ways you can get your taskbar back and working again. Task Manager helps kill unresponsive programs on your computer, and you can use it to kill and restart the Windows taskbar by killing the Explorer process. Press the Ctrl, Shift and Escape keys at the same time to launch Task Manager. Click on More Details if you don't already see your processes. Next, click on the Processes tab at the top and you'll find all of your running programs. Find the process that says Windows Explorer, right-click on it and select Restart. This will restart the Windows Explorer process and your taskbar should work again. If Explorer isn't there, simply click File and then Run New Task, then type Explorer and press Enter or click OK. You can also use the command prompt to restart Explorer and get your taskbar back. From the Task Manager, click on File, Run New Task, and then type CMD and press Enter or click OK. In the command prompt, type taskkill/f/im explorer.exe. Then press Enter. Now, type explorer.exe and press Enter to bring the taskbar back. If your taskbar still isn't working after trying one of these fixes, check out the article linked in the description below for more advanced troubleshooting. See you next time.